5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be present here today. It is the New Year Day and I have an opportunity to give you my best wishes on this auspicious occasion. I thank your Chief Minister for giving me an opportunity to inaugurate this development program. In my 50 years of public life, I have had good and bad experiences, and I know the problems in the villages. Though I come from another part of the country, the problems faced by the villagers are the same. There also we have natural calamities when a large number of people are put to much suffering. It is the duty of the elected government to help those who are in distress. You will agree that there can be no two opinions on this. Though the public distribution system has been working in our country, it has some defects. I am told that food grains are supplied but they do not reach the shops. There are many people with long hands who divert the supplies. The problem, as far as I am concerned, lies in the fact that the schemes formulated are not implemented honestly and sincerely. On the one hand, the government spends a lot of money, and on the other, the benefits do not reach the needy. We therefore decided that the system should be set right and it should be started in such areas where the poorest sections of the society live. I would like to inform you that we have selected desert and hilly areas to implement the new scheme. On this New Year Day, the revised scheme is implemented in about 2000 blocks all over the country. I personally deem it a privilege to launch the program here. On this occasion, I would like to state that I had a very useful discussion with your Chief Minister today, and when I go back to Delhi, I will sit with officials and formulate a plan to minimize the effect of natural calamities on villages. It is, of course, natural that the program has to be implemented by the states. It is a joint effort. We have to work together to help the people so that benefits may reach them. The money with the central government is yours. The money with the state government also belongs to you. My basic aim is to provide a well in each village, irrespective of the population. You have a lot of sunshine in your state throughout the year, and by making efficient use of technology, you can generate electricity to run the pump and light the houses. I have received your demands and I find them reasonable. It is my duty to consider them. We have a large number of poor people in our country. We must at least meet the minimum needs of such people. Our government will take all efforts in this direction. On this important occasion, I request your cooperation in making our plans a success. Thank you all. Letter from the Secretary to Government, School Education Department, to the Director of School Education, Chennai. Sir, it has been since brought to the attention of the government that there is mass copying in annual examinations in some unaided schools in the state. We are in receipt of several complaints from parent teacher associations and from some educationists, and the government have taken a very serious view of the situation. Based on independent verification by government, it is found that the complaints are true, and apart from copying, a lot of other malpractices are also going on in a systematic manner. After taking into consideration all aspects of the matter, the government have decided to constitute a committee headed by the Honorable Minister for Education, consisting of members both from the government side and the parent and reaching community, to consider this issue and suggest suitable remedial action. In this connection, I am to inform you that a preliminary meeting in this regard is to be held on the 15th of this month in the chamber of Honorable Minister, in which all the top officials will participate. You are requested to attend the above meeting without fail. Yours faithfully,